Today, we're reviewing the GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker, taking a look at its smart app features, ice quality, noise level, and real-world performance to see how it holds up for everyday use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker. Ice scoop, ice basket, and user manual. Product overview. Ice scoop, ice shovel board, ice basket, large viewing window, air exhaust, control panel, maximum water level, water drain cap, display panel, start and cancel button, clean button, select button, how to use. Remove the ice basket and fill the reservoir with filtered or tap water up to the max line, about 1.1 liters. Put the basket back, close the lid, and plug in the machine. Press once to make ice, or hold for 5 seconds to run a 15-minute cleaning cycle. Press again to stop cleaning and resume ice making. The machine runs at a moderate noise level, producing nugget ice in about 4 minutes. As the ice stacks up, it keeps working until the basket is full and the ice full indicator lights up. The soft, chewable ice is then ready to scoop into a glass and enjoy. How to pair. Download the Govee Home app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Download the Govee app and tap the plus icon to add the ice maker. Once the Wi-Fi light starts flashing, name the device, enter your Wi-Fi password, and connect. After setup, you can control the ice maker directly from the app, check its status from anywhere, and receive notifications when the ice basket is full or when the machine runs out of water. This ice maker produces bullet-shaped chewable ice. Large ice takes about 10 minutes to make 9 pieces and around 40 minutes to fill the basket. The automation feature is a highlight. You can schedule it to start in the morning and shut off at night to save energy with flexible daily on and off schedules. Maintenance. Open the lid and remove the ice basket. Add diluted detergent or distilled vinegar to the water tank, keeping the water level below the max line. Close the lid and press the clean button on the machine or in the app. Wait for the 10-minute self-cleaning cycle to complete. Remove the drain cover located on the front underside. Rinse the internal parts with water. Unplug the machine and drain any remaining water. Take out the filter and rinse it thoroughly. Finally, dry both the interior and exterior with a clean, soft cloth. Smart features? Keep your countertop ice maker hygienic with a simple press of the clean button. This 10-minute self-cleaning process guarantees fresh and clean ice. Our ice maker features 3 adjustable bullet ice cube sizes: small, medium, large, which melt slowly and are stick-resistant. Monitor your countertop ice machine's status through the RGB ice basket's colors and receive app notifications when water is low or the basket is full. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker. See you in the next one.